Hello everybody, welcome to another video of feedez channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install Flatpak app on second drive or other drive. So basically Flatpak actually has a documentation for it. They tell you how to add a custom installation, but this actually can be done to also to install on other folder, aka other disk space. So I'm trying to edit a thumbnail for my streaming service, and sadly sudo apt only allow like 6.0.1, which is the beta version. I want this version, the stable version 5.3.1. So I was wondering how to do that, and turns out it's on flathub, but I was wondering how do I install it on my third drive. So let me show you. Okay, first of all we have to make this folder. I already done that. I'm literally inside it right now. As you can see here, it's already there, so I will just go inside it. Okay, and now open a file in that directory as root. Okay, so apparently I already make a conf file called fundis.conf, and inside it there is a sudo nano fundisk. This is only for games, by the way. I store my sober in here. This is how it looks like. So if I go to Flatpak list, so stuff that is installed in the fun disk on my second drive for games is in here. As you can see, I install my sober on my fun disk installation. Now the question is, how about the third drive? I have the third drive, as you can see here. I don't want it to be here, I want it to be here. Okay, that's easy. So first I need to make another one. Okay, we'll just do sudo nano content creation disk.conf content creation disk.conf. Okay, now what do I do here? Okay, write something like this. Okay, the path of the installation here, I'm gonna put content creation. Okay, and here I'm gonna put the path according to the this thing, location, the new folder, Flatpak. Go. So now when I go here, I can just copy the link, go here, paste it to the configuration, paste, and then the extra installation, let's just name it content creation. Yeah, storage type hard disk. Okay, control save, control X, and after that you can add a remote using command like this. Before I do that, let's check it one more time. Okay, it's good. Now let's paste this. So we're gonna install the flathub depot on the installation folder. Command not found. Yeah, I'm not supposed to paste the dollar, just Flatpak. There we go. Now let's just wait for it. Okay, let me type my password real quick. List. Okay, it's all gone. It's all works. Now I just need to do this, install normally, but add extra. So I will just copy this, paste it, but in here I can just do this, installation extra, but instead of extra it's supposed to be content creation. I think it's good. Okay, there we go. Copy paste this. Content creation. Okay, yes, sure. Okay, let's install it. Okay, I think it's done. Now let's see if this works in my Flatpak. Oh yeah, it is. Krita is in here. Now let's me do a Flatpak list. Where's Krita? Krita. Okay, there we go. This is Krita, and it's all in content creation. Now let me just run it. Let me see if this works. Orange Kitty, Krita, copy. Oh my god, yes, space. Okay, we got this robot lolly splash screen now. Let's wait for it. It is. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, now I use new image. Okay, I will just 1 to 80, 720, and YouTube thumbnail, because that's how big it is. There we go. Is it here? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna open the image in, let me see, computer feedez / mount. Where's mount / there we go. There we go. Now I can put like text easily. Yeah, it is. It's working. Oh yes, thank you for watching, and see you guys on next video. Bye bye.